This is the first resort of this kind in Hyderabad. This was founded by Mr. Buchireddy, late Mr. Buchireddy, and when he was in abroad, he had seen this in abroad somewhere, and this was his dream to bring it to Hyderabad. He started about it's in 1993, and now it is we are just in a growing stage. I think now Dream Valley is in Hyderabad. If you compare to other resorts, we are in about fifth stage. Maybe in a 6 months time, we will come to a first stage. Number one in Andhra Pradesh. That is our motive. At present, we have the built-up area about 23 acres in this place, and we have a huge water park which is spread over more than 6 acres, and we have a closed rain dance area. Apart from, we have 3-4 different lawns. We can accommodate various group of people and corporates, and also we have at present we have a huge lawn with a big stage where about 5,000 people can be accommodated. And on an average, at present, we are accommodating about 3,000 people for day outing, including school children. School children, when they come here, they will enjoy the facilities like in a water park, because this kind of water park, this kind of facilities is not available in Hyderabad. Our aim, basically, we are into resort maintenance. It is basically we are looking for the people who are getting strained, getting tired in the city and during their the whole day and whole week program. If they come here to this resort, they will get total relaxed, and when they go back after a day or after a night, when they go back, they feel fresh, and they can go back to their duty in a fresh mode. That is basically that is the main motto of us, and of course, I am sure that whoever coming here, their experience, they are getting our experience, and they are giving a very good comment on the thing. And of course, we are in a process of improving our facilities and adding more and more facilities to us. So I am sure within a span of maybe about 6 months of time, we will have all facilities here, and I am sure when the people come here, they will go very happy. And even not only the corporate, even schools and families, any kind of people come, they can enjoy, they can get relaxed here. And moreover, what happens is this is just about 15 minutes drive from the city. It's about 20-25 kilometers from Mehdipatnam, but it's a congestion-free road. From Mehdipatnam to here, if you drive about 15 minutes, you can reach here. That is a very plus point. And also it is totally pollution free, because we have surrounding all waters, Himayat Nagar and Gandipet. It's a very good place area also. You can feel that atmosphere, how free, pollution free atmosphere is here. And even during the summer time, it is about 2 to 3 degrees less than the city atmosphere. Even though we have a very good competition in the market for the resort, but our rooms on weekends, it is not enough at present. So we are coming up with more and more farmhouses, more and more rooms, and more conference facilities, which more people can be accommodated at a time. We are on Saturday and Sunday, especially on weekend, we are full. We are not able to. Today also we had some inquiries, but we could not accommodate. So we are coming up with more and more rooms, more and more accommodations, more and more facilities also, and other big cricket ground is coming up, which is an attraction. And also, not only this, but we are planning similar kind of resorts in other city, other district headquarters also. So that also we are selected few places where the city headquarters, where we have more and more potential people. We are planning for that also. We are coming up with other venue also, so that next year even 5,000 students come at a time, we can accommodate them. So we are as far as we are growing, we are expanding the area also. so that we can accommodate more and more people and accommodate, we can make them comfortable here. And maybe after 6 months, when other venue also getting after getting the ready, the school children, they don't have to come this place because they have other area. We have outdoor activities. We have more and more water facilities. So the school children will not come here. So that the corporate, when they come here, they don't have to they don't have to wait, or they don't have to get clubbed with the school children. So they can come and enjoy the all resort facilities. At present, we have different packages. We will customize the package. We don't have a fixed package. If you have 500 rupees, we have 500 rupees package. If you have 1000 rupees package, we can make a customized package for 1000 rupees also. So we will focus on everybody. Even a rich guy can come and spend their money, and even a poor guy also can come and spend money. So it is not like a fixed amount. It will be customized. We have a huge lawn with a big stage, where we can go for any kind of engagement parties, marriages. In fact, we did a lot of marriages. We can accommodate 10,000 people at a time. And maybe in 3-4 months' time, we can give an accommodation also for about 200 people, and then about 10,000 people can accommodate for a marriage or an engagement. And of course, for birthday parties or even any kind of event, we have a lot of space available. We have AC halls, different AC halls, and different lawns, gardens are available. So any kind of activities you are looking at, you can just think of Dream Valley, and we are here to take care of it.